I'm going to record him doing stupid stuff to other people. You want to call the cops? I think we need to call the cops. This guy's crazy. He's on something. I can't even see.
Oh! Okay.
If the cigarette was marketed as healthier, consumers would indulge in their habit to which brings us to conspiracy theory number 2.
Oh my gosh, dude!
Their products to keep smokers hooked. Despite denying that cigarettes were dangerous or addictive, tobacco executives poured money into research on how to make them safer. At least, that's the story Philip Morris told when they launched Marlboro Light in 1972. These so-called low-tar cigarettes were pierced with...
Know the reason I stopped you?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I had...
How fast do you think you were going?
40?
Don't even. 50.
What, 50?
50 and a 30.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Tell you the truth, guy. I just found out that Putin is just said he's going to launch nuclear thermal war against the world. I was trying to get back to my house to find out what's going on. I'm freaking out here, guy.
Oh, get the card, get the card.
Holy crap, dude! What are you doing? Blind spot! Look in your blind spot, you jerk!
Okay?
Oh my God, I was reaching for a bottle of water.
Rhonda, of course, you would do it all the time too, but with Rhonda, that was basically the only way she would take you down was with.
Older, we may fall and break our hips, and so you're thinking about all this stuff, whereas you're drinking the favorite thing that you're happy to wake up for. Anyway,
I find the same thing. And if I sit and meditate and just get myself quiet a little bit, it helps me.
Oh, shit.
I'm not multitasking.
There you go.
What the fuck? How fucking cool. Oh my Jesus.